Welcome to our channel 4G School. I am Gulnar Khan. Let's start my English book 7, Unit 1. It's a small world. It's a world of laughter, a world of tears. It's a world of hopes and a world of fears. There's so much that we share, that's a time we were aware. It's a small world after all. 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 It's a small, small world. There is just one moon and the golden sun, and the smile means friendship to everyone. Though the mountains divide and the oceans are wide, it's a small world after all. 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 It's a small, small world. It's a small, small world. It's a small world. Sometimes you meet the same people in an unexpected place or find out that they are connected to people you know. The words "it's a small world" are used to show you a surprise on such an occasion. In this poem, the words are used to tell us that all human beings are alike. It's a Small World is a very popular song translated into many languages. This song is played on a ride of the same title in Disneyland. So students, if you like our video, please subscribe our channel 4G School and like this video to continue your study at home. Thank you.